Let us discuss, let us continue the acceleration part. Yes, as per definition, acceleration is denoted with small a, so vector quantity. As per definition, acceleration is nothing but it is the rate of change of velocity. So acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity delta v by delta t. So from this what we can write here, delta means change final velocity minus initial velocity by t2 minus t1, t2 minus t1 or t0, t1 means initial time. So from this what we can write, acceleration a is equals to v minus u by t2 minus t is nothing but time interval t. So from this is the acceleration formula. If you write v as subject, transpose t left hand side, this is a into t, at, v minus u, transpose minus u left side, that is plus u plus at is equals to v. Then what we can write, after rearranging this sentence we get v is equals to u plus at. We got the first equation. If you write acceleration formula v as subject, then we get first equation. This is uniform acceleration under uniform object. Here equations of motion under uniform acceleration. This is the first equation, Newton's first equation. So let us discuss two more equations. I am writing here first equation, v is equals to u plus at. Next equation, s is equals to ut plus half at square. The next third equation, v square minus u square is equals to 2a. Yes, let us find these three equations. When deriving Newton's 3 equations, keep in mind this. What is this? V is equal to u plus at. From this we know acceleration a is equals to v minus u by t. This is the acceleration a value. If you want, we can substitute. And from this t value, what we can write? Transpose t this side, then at, again transpose a that side, then what you will get, v minus u by a. After rearranging, if you write t as subject, you will get t value v minus u by a. Okay, then as per average velocity equation definition, average velocity definition. So we have the two formulas, V average formulas, two formulas. Total displacement by total time taken is one of the formula. Under uniform acceleration, initial velocity u, final velocity v means. So this is the average of initial and final velocity. So average velocity is nothing but it is the average of initial and final velocity. Average means sum of observations by number of observations. Here total displacement by total time taken. So this is the final equation. So from this is basic equation to derive these two equations. See, very simple. In this equation, first equation finished. In the second equation, total how many variables are there here? See once. Initial velocity, final velocity, time, acceleration, displacement. Okay. So these are the vector quantities. Here 5 out of 5, how many there here? Which is options here? Which is not there in the second equation? Once observe carefully. Final velocity v is not there. So v is not there means we have to eliminate v from this equation. We have to eliminate v, then you will get second equation. Okay. Like that, you have to substitute here in the third equation. T is not there. So eliminate means a substitution method. Substitute t value. T value is here. Then v value is here. V value substitute here. Then you will get second equation. T value substitute v minus v by a in this equation. You will get second and third equation. Let us see how to do that. Okay. So in this, to get second equation, we have to eliminate v. To eliminate v, we have to substitute v value in terms of other values, right? Other variables. So s by t, here u initial velocity plus v means I am taking u plus at. Okay, by 2. I am transposing this t other side, then it multiplies the whole RHS. Next, u plus u, like terms add, u plus u, 2u plus at whole by 2 into t. And what we can do in next step, multiply t inside, 2ut plus at into t, at square, distributive property, and denominator 2 I am writing for each term, 2 will be cancelled. So finally we got the expression s is equals to ut plus 1 by 2 is nothing but half at square. This is the second equation. So very important equations of motion. From this equations only, here the total motion 1D, 2D and everything will be start. Okay, so please get the conceptual idea on this. So second equation finished. From this basic definition of average velocity, we can write s is equals to u plus v by 2 into t. As children, once see here, what I told you in the third equation, t is not there. So that's why we have to substitute t value. T value here, what is t value in terms of other variables? T is equal to v minus v by a. So substitute here. Here substitute, then what you will get, t value is v minus u by a, and here u plus v is there. Can I write v plus u? U plus v plus u both are same. As per mathematics commutative law, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay, so we can exchange the places. Displacement is equals to, this is the formula. If you observe carefully, these two are in products. This is in the form of a plus b, this in the form of a minus b. So finally we get a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, get a square minus b square. So here we get v square minus u square whole by 2 into a, 2a. This 2a transpose this side, 2as is equals to v square minus u square. Yes children, we found three equations of motion. We derived three equations of motion. Newton's three equations. Okay, we have found. So this is a basic formulas. Three equations of motion. So very important. The next total application is there, but we have to get the conceptual idea. How we got the conceptual idea on acceleration? So like that, you have to get the conceptual idea. I will explain. Okay. Right. Copy this. Compulsory write the notes. Compulsory write the notes. Your own notes. Then only you will get conceptual idea and totally able to identify and able to remember. Pause the video and copy the expressions derivation. Next, one more formula is here. Distance covered by the body in nth second. Especially freely falling body. Here we left this. Now it is under freely falling condition. So after 1 second, this is the position of the object. So what is the distance covered in the first second? First second means now here n is equals to 1. Okay. What is the distance covered in the second? Okay. Now after in the second journey, second, so object covered this much distance. Here acceleration, this body is under freely falling, body is under uniform acceleration 9.8. So that's why speed increases. So that's why it travel more distance. So now distance traveled in the only second duration, that is s second. Okay. So here what is the general formula means s third second, distance covered, displacement covered in only third second. Okay. So now this is the conceptual idea. So for that, the u means initial velocity, a means acceleration, and n means particular second. 4th second, 5th second, 6th second or 10th second, any second, you can substitute here u plus a into n minus half. If you rewrite this sometimes also it appears like this. Here n by 1 is there after transposing 2n minus 1 whole by 2. Here after taking LCM you will get this. Then if you take out, then u plus half into a into 2n minus 1. This is also nth second formula. Both are nth second formulas only. If you multiply half inside you will get the first equation. Okay, and this is the both are same expressions. Okay. Yes, so this formula you have to use at this situation. Let us do some problems based on acceleration concept. Our formula is acceleration A is equals to v minus u by t. This is our formula. Okay, then you can take any two intervals. Any two intervals. You get initial velocity 5, then final velocity 20. You can take like this. Your wish. Initial velocity 5 and final velocity 20. Final velocity 20 means this is v, this is u. Then v minus u. 20 minus u how much? 5. Then how much time duration? See, 1, 2, 3. Gaps count this. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds. Then 20 minus 5 how much? 15. 15 by 3 how much? 5. Okay. So here acceleration is 5 meter per second square. This is the concept, my dear students. You can take any two interval. 25 minus 5, 20. Time interval. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds. 20 by 4, we get 5 meter per second square. Okay. Here we can verify like this also. Final velocity v is equals to u plus at. Here first second, second second, first second, second second, third second, fourth second, fifth second, 5 seconds completed. See, initial velocity 0, acceleration 5, then what is the final velocity at 5 seconds? 5 is the 25 meter per second, fifth second 25. Initial velocity 0 means directly we are multiplying acceleration with time, isn't it? Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication only, na? 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. So we added 5 times. So that's why 5 is a 25. Okay, I hope you understood. Next. See children, I have taken one of the situation. A car, it is started from 0, velocity y-axis, a time x-axis. Here 1 second completed, so it gains 5 meter per second speed. Next 2 seconds completed. Next plus 5 how much? 10 meter per seconds in 2 seconds. Next 3 seconds how much? 15 meter per second speed in 3 seconds. Next 4 seconds it reaches 20 meter per second. Speed. Then after 5th second, 6th second and 7th second and 8th second, no change in speed, it is maintaining same speed, means this is under uniform motion, velocity constant means acceleration 0. How it will 0? Let us see. Acceleration అంటే మనకు చేంజ్ ఇన్ స్పీడ్ కదా, చూడండి ఒకసారి. +5 అయింది, +5, +5 and +5. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Up to here velocity there is change, +5, +5. Then after 4 seconds to 5 seconds, the speed at 4 seconds 20, speed at 5 seconds also 20. So what is the change? there is no change. Here also 20, here also 20, so change is 0. Okay, here also at 6th second, 7th second, 8th second also here same speed is there, so that's why change is 0. Change, no change, 20 meter per second only. So that's why here acceleration is 0. Acceleration is 0 when if the uniform motion acceleration is 0. The body is moving with constant speed, acceleration constant, velocity acceleration 0, uniform motion acceleration 0. Then after here suddenly this car applied brakes. Okay, here uniformly gradually increases speed up 20 meter per second. Okay, then after it's moving constant speed 20 meters per second. Here there is a signal light is there, otherwise some object is there. Then here some person is crossing the road. Okay, yeah, let us imagine signal situation. Junction is there. There is a red signal. This car compulsory immediately it needs to apply the brakes, right? So that's why. But this car comes to rest within 2 seconds only. Means at this time speed is 20 meter per second. At this time 20 meter per second. It reaches 0 meter per second speed within 2 seconds time. At 9 second and 10th seconds it reaches 0. Then can you answer to my question? What is the acceleration of the car in time interval 8 to 10 seconds? Acceleration you have to find. What is the change in speed? Uniform change means continuous constant, there is a decrease in velocity constant. Okay, so in that case here 20 becomes to 0 meter per second in 10 seconds, in 2 seconds only. Okay, see జనరల్గా ఆలోచిస్తే 20 జీరో అయింది అంటే ఒక సెకండ్లో ఎంత తగ్గుతుంది? ఓన్లీ 2 పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒక సెకండ్లో 10కి వస్తే ఇంకో సెకండ్లో 0కి వస్తుంది, అంతే కదా. ఇంకో సెకండ్లో మనకు 0కి వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఒక సెకండ్లో 1 సెకండ్లో 10 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ అయితే నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్లో 0. అంటే ఒక సెకండ్లో వచ్చిన స్పీడ్ ఎంత చేంజ్? స్పీడ్ తగ్గింది. ఫైనల్ వెలాసిటీ 10 మైనస్ ఇనిషియల్ వెలాసిటీ 20. 10 మైనస్ 20 ఎంత టైంలో? 8 సెకండ్స్ నుంచి 9 సెకండ్స్ అంటే ఒక సెకండ్ టైంలో మనకి చేంజ్ వచ్చేసి ఇంత చేంజ్ వచ్చేసి మనకి ఇలా వచ్చేసి. సో ఇఫ్ యూ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ 10 minus 20 minus 10 meter per second by second minus 10 meter per second square is the answer. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్లో కూడా అంతే కదా. 10 నుంచి 0 అయింది, 0 minus 10 by 1 second వేసినా అంతే. లేదు సార్ నేను టోటల్ 2 డ్యూరేషన్కి వేస్తా అంటే ఇనిషియల్ వెలాసిటీ 20, ఫైనల్ వెలాసిటీ 0, టైమ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ final time 10 seconds, initial time 8 seconds. Okay, so 20 minus final velocity wrong rastamu. Final velocity is 0, initially 20. V minus u minus 20 by 10 minus 8 to 2 seconds. You cancel, you will get minus 10 meter per second square is the acceleration. Very simple. From this concept, I hope you understood. Very easy. Kinematics, physics is nothing but visualization. Physics is nothing but imagination. Physics is nothing but daily life application. We have to think about it. ఓకే, ఒకసారి ఆలోచిస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? చూడండి ఎంత మంచిగా టాయ్ కార్ యూజ్ చేసి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ అబౌట్ ద యాక్సలేషన్. ఓకే, యాక్సలేషన్ పాజిటివ్ ఉంటే చేంజ్ అనేది పెరుగుతూ, వెలాసిటీ పెరిగితే మనము యాక్సలేషన్ అంటున్నాము. వెలాసిటీ తగ్గింది, వెలాసిటీ తగ్గినందుకు దీనికి మనకు వేరే నేమ్ ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? రిటార్డేషన్ ఆర్ డిస్లరేషన్. వెన్ బ్రేక్స్ అప్లై టు ద కార్, వెన్ బ్రేక్స్ అప్లై టు ద ట్రైన్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్, యర్ రిటార్డేషన్. ఓకే, మనకి స్పీడ్ వెలాసిటీ అనేది తగ్గుతుంది. మనం డిస్లరేషన్, రిటార్డేషన్ అంటున్నాము. ఓకేనా? చూడండి ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇద్దాం. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 20 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ ఉన్న స్పీడు జీరోకి వచ్చేసింది. బట్ హౌ మచ్ టైం టేకెన్ మీన్స్ రావడానికి టైం వచ్చేసి 5 సెకండ్స్ టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. ఓకేనా. సడన్గా మనం యాక్సిడెంట్ కేసు చూస్తాం. సడన్గా సంథింగ్ ఒక యానిమల్ అడ్డం వచ్చేసింది, సడన్ బ్రేక్ వేయాలి, బ్రేక్ వేస్తాడు, చూడండి సడన్గా అడ్డం వచ్చేసి ఇంత స్పీడ్లో ఉన్నాడు, బ్రేక్ వేసేసి ఆపేశాడు. ఓకేనా. ఎంత టైం పట్టింది మొత్తం జీరోకి రావడానికి? 5 సెకండ్స్ టైం తీసుకుంది. ఓకే, 5 సెకండ్స్ టైంలో ఆపేశాడు మొత్తానికి. ఓకేనా. అక్కడ ఆపినప్పుడు ఒక సెకండ్కి ఎంత స్పీడ్ డిక్రీజ్ అయింది అనేది మనకి ఇక్కడ యాక్సలరేషన్. ఓకే, 5 సెకండ్స్లో 20 అంటే 20/5 4 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్. ఓకేనా. 20 మైనస్ 4 16, ఒక సెకండ్లో 16 తగ్గుతుంది. ఇంకో 16 మైనస్ 4 12, 12 మైనస్ 4 8, 8 మైనస్ 4 4, 4 మైనస్ 4 0. మొత్తానికి ఒక సెకండ్ 4 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ స్పీడ్తో చేంజ్ అయితే అది 5 సెకండ్స్లో జీరోకి వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ యాక్సలరేషన్. I hope you understood. So you can do very sums. You can generate the questions మీరే జనరేట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా. మనమే జనరేట్ చేద్దాము. ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ మోషన్ పైన కూడా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేద్దాము. ఓకేనా. ఎస్.